So my people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good day. I beg this one I just shortly the one where I first do just now. The video not clear well. My voice they not they hear my voice well. So may I quickly analyze this video. Wetin this man talk for here, so that I will understand wetin we dey try tell our people where we for come.
To me.
Well, the Igbos are more or less the type of people whose desire is mainly to dominate everybody. If they go to a village, to a town.
My people, why this man they talk this was say our Igbo Biafra like they like to dominate people. Now because say they tell our people say they are Igbo, they are not Idu. They are not Idu. When they live for Idu land, they are living together, and that land where they stay so now their land. That be the divide and rule where these people put for our means. You are Idu, Igutovigodo. We know these people Igbo is a language. It's the Yoruba and the Fulani that plant this thing. They say no, it's Igbo. When they hear say it's Igbo, person like we now, like this generation, I will say no, they not be one people. But when they hear say you are Idu, they will be afraid because Idu, we are going to kill many people. Yoruba people, they are going to die. Many of Yoruba people, they are going to die because they kill our ancestors in Idumota, Lagos. That's why this Fulani use this. They always use this word.
Well, the Igbos are more or less the type of people whose desire is mainly to dominate everybody. If they go to a village, to a town.
You now hear now so now Fulani talk and the way Yoruba they talk now so Fulani they talk now they plant this thing. They'll say now Igbo because Igbo is living there. It's not living there. It's the land. That land I do. Now I do land. Na Igbo man they do every day. They use this. They use Igbo. They divide us. Say you are Igbo. You people are not one. We be one people. Now one ancestral land now we for corn. And the same culture now we get. One food now we dey chop. We not dey chop ewedu and amala. No, we not dey eat that thing. Now the Yoruba people and the Fulani now they divide us. They make you say Fulani. They go come outside. They say Igbo man like to dominate. They don't dominate. It's your place. You don't dominate anybody. Now your land. They are just deceiving people. Please, my people, more than not listening to what Yoruba people they talk. Now they conquer all those things. Igbo man like to dominate. When you are living in Idu land, Idu eri, Idu area, Idu another ocean. You are living in Idu. Somebody is telling you that you are Igbo, you are dominate people. Now everybody that they deceive our people, all those our forefathers will be say their head not correct. They're not this generation. This generation we are going to deal with all of them. They be foolish people. We are going to deal with all of them. All of them, they are going to die. They will just sleep. They don't go wake up. They are just going to sleep. They don't go wake up because their head not correct for them to deceive our people, brainwash us. But now listen to the.
Well, the Igbos are more or less the type of people whose desire is mainly to dominate everybody. If they go to a village, to a town.
My own so. Now so Yoruba people they do. I wish our leader not come as that the Callaway God will bless. They'll go put Emir for Ebonyi State. That Emir will talk. He will come to tell Ebonyi people say una be Igbo, una want dominate us for our land. Now so that they do ambo. Now Yoruba and Fulani. Now so that they take the do. They'll go put Emir for Enugu State. They'll come to tell Enugu people say una be Igbo, una want dominate us for our land. Now they una land do. Now so that they drive una away for our ancestral land. Una will run come for Ulana where they be on our name. Una they run go everywhere. Now make that Yoruba matter say they are running. The only of people say the Igbo people they run to the east. They go to the east pass. Now they drive una. Now they kill people. Drive all of una go all over the place. Drive everybody come up for the ancestral land. They'll say if they want to confuse you people, they will tell you you are industrial. Your character industrial put for your head. You don't know these people that are dealing with you. Small, then they kill you, small. You are industrial. That industrial you just put up for your head. You don't even know say na slavery mentality. Now Yoruba man Fulani, they do. They are foolish people. We are going to deal with them mercilessly. All of them. You are Idu, not be Igbo. Igbo is a language. The way I speak Esan language, I speak my language. It's how our Idu, Igbo, Biafra speak their language. Because if they are telling you, you are Igbo, you will see the next generation that is coming now, will be telling them, no, you are not one. This one is Igbo. You are Idu. No, you are Idu. You are living in your land. Okay, people that live in this thing, like our Igbo people that live in Benue now, they have community, they have Igbo community there. You see that place now, maybe they change the name, come up for the name. Those Benue people that will say, no, they are not one people. They want to come and dominate. Fulani and Yoruba people will go and meet them. Don't mind Igbo people, they want to dominate. When you are living in your ancestral land, when you are living in Idu land, these are these people divide everybody, brainwash everybody, deceive everybody. This one, you are not one people. You go this side, you are not one people. Now so they take concord this story. Now so they be want to carry me call Enugu. They come they tell Enugu people say, una want dominate us, una be Igbo. Oh yeah, una want dominate us. These people don't use Igbo to fight Igbo. Now be waiting they happen so. They don't use that name Igbo. Yeah, you are Igbo. Oh yeah, deal with them. Will they deal with the fellow brother? Because they make us to lose our name. That's our real name. Our real name is Idu. Why did they collect? Why did they drive our fellow Igbo Biafra for their land? That name Idu. If you know that name, then they change. They change that so that now everybody will get confused. This one you are not one people. You can't go see an Urovi man. I will say, Ian Urakwa, they are not the same. They are one people. They be the same people. The same thing they have in that land. The same thing they have in everywhere. The same thing our Igbo Biafra is the same thing we have in our land. Okay, what are you now telling me now? Say we are not one people. We are one people, Yoruba people. We are going to deal with them. Now they deceive our people, brainwash them. You are not Idu. Don't mind him. Idu. You everybody is Idu. Idu Biafra. Don't let anybody deceive you. This Idu, we are just saying it. Many people is coming on the way to die. Many will just sleep. They will not wake up because they kill many our ancestral people in Idumota, Lagos. The Yoruba people committed genocide in Idumota, Lagos. They buried them there. They buried them for Idumota, Lagos. So anything we say they happen for Yoruba land now, they can't change the name. From Eko, they can't change that to Lagos. That's why life not the better for Yoruba people now. You see, they can't go carry Catholic. All those Catholic people, they be Sango, they be Ogun, now Ogun they be. Now Yoruba people go bring those things come. Because their life, they miserable, they be Amajiri. No any Yoruba man go do. More than not say, you carry white hair. He said, no any of the get head. Because our ancestors don't cause the whole Yoruba people say, life will not be made the same with them. They will try, they are thinking they are doing front, they are doing back. They are doing back because Fulani don't take over their land. They are trying to deceive our people. We will deal with them. We are Idu, Igodo, Biafra. We are going to make sure, say, Yoruba people, they will not be where to be found in this planet Earth. We are going to drive them away. Kill all of them. We don't want them. They should go where they came from. We are not one people like them. They kill our ancestors. We will not use it to likely with them. Change our name. Change all our name. Drive our people away from our ancestral land. Tell them that you are not one people. You go to this side. You go to this side. So many people, they brought them for Benin Republic. When we are fighting for our freedom, you will see, and a Yoruba man will come outside. He will come outside. He will say, "You go do now. He do state. Nigeria for come. Well, Nigeria for come. Nigeria come for come. Migrate come. Or Nigeria the ancestors. We not be one. We don't know them. In our land, we don't serve Isango. We don't serve Ogun. Ogun is just all those people that his head is not correct. We be say they release for psychiatry hospital. They all run away. They don't know what they do again. How those people they serve Ogun, Ayelala, those animals, foolish people. Now Yoruba people be. They bring those to take kill our ancestors. They force them. Oh yeah, Mona servant. They say they don't serve, and they kill them. Kill all of them for Idumota. Fela raise the head. They kill her. Say what down when they talk. They go kill self. They don't kill her. Now so now the whole Yoruba people, all of them, nothing good about Yoruba. All of them, they are going to die. Go and check them. Now England, they don't go now. England, now all of them don't go. Why this guy? What did they call this man? Wole Soyinka. When Abacha, why Abacha drive and go America? If I don't die since, if I don't go die through way, Abacha for just kill and through way. Because there be stupid people, there be evil people. So my people, may I live now. We are one people, we are Idu Biafra.